To many people, this tangled mess of communication lines would be considered ugly and unattractive. These phone cables in Thailand remind me of China when I first moved there several years ago. Lines would be replaced and added over, around, and through existing lines. No one would bother to remove any of the old lines, so they would just continue to cluster above the sidewalk. But I see beyond the tangled mess. I see a beautiful, green, warm, sunny country with rich history, amazing experiences, delicious food, friendly people, and a relaxing atmosphere. I came here somewhat reluctantly due to other uncontrollable events in the world, but I'm so glad that I did. In John chapter 7, Jesus reprimands some hypocritical Jewish leaders and says, "Do not judge by appearances, but judge with right judgment." I'm going to try to start seeing past appearances. When I meet people, I'm going to look past the tangled messes. I'm going to get over the reluctance to engage. And I'm going to look for the beauty beyond the mess.